YouTube, my name is Jazz. Welcome back to my channel. So today I got a special unboxing for y'all. I know it's been a minute since I've done an unboxing, but today, well actually I just said I'm gonna unboxing till one time. So if you don't know this or if you don't follow me on social media, my birthday was last weekend and y'all, I got myself some nice things for my birthday, and I'm also celebrating 10K subscribers. Y'all, thank you so much for getting me to that. It is crazy that 10,000 people actually want to see me. But I'm so thankful for y'all. But for this video, I will be unboxing some luxury things that I got. I got several different designers. Some is my first time owning, others I do own a lot of. But what I'm gonna do during the video is timestamp each unboxing. So if you're interested in a particular designer, you can just skip to that section. But yeah, let's just get into it, y'all. First thing that I'm gonna unbox today is something that I bought from Louis Vuitton. And I'm not gonna say I actually been wanting this. I just know that a lot of people actually want it, and I thought it was kind of cute. So I just picked it up when I saw it was available. But I'm gonna unbox this for y'all so y'all can see what I got from Louis Vuitton. Okay, so what I actually got from Louis Vuitton is I believe this is the Confidential. Hold on, let me read the tag. Yeah, the Bandeau Confidential or something like that. Yeah, the Bandeau Monogram Confidential. I will actually link a picture up from the site so y'all know what I'm talking about. But I got this because I just thought the pattern was super cute. I'm actually gonna probably end up putting it on one of my bags, but I did see a video on how someone wrapped their hair really cute with it. So I'm gonna probably do that as well. But this is the thing that I got from Louis Vuitton for my birthday. And every time I looked at the site, it seems like this is sold out. So when I saw it was available, I just hopped right on it. One thing I really want from Louis Vuitton is actually those hoop earrings that everybody keep getting. Oh my gosh, I really want those, but they keep being sold out. So whenever I see those available, I'll grab those as well. But I really do want those. But just for this birthday haul, I actually got this. Okay, so the next designer that I'm going to unbox, I actually have this bag already, but I wanted it in another color. I love this bag. It's like one of my favorite bags that I own. But I did buy this Gucci purse. And if you notice, this is the old packaging. That's because I bought this purse used. Ain't no shame in my game. Okay, I be trying to save my coin when I can, but something that I bought from Gucci, and I'm finna show y'all what I got. So this is the old dust bag. Y'all, I want to buy something new from Gucci so I can get the new packaging. So this is what I just got. I don't know if y'all follow me on social media, but I have this already in red. This is the Gucci Marmont Super Mini. This is one of my favorite bags. And it's because one, I like small purses, but two, this purse can turn into like a fanny pack and like, you know, like a waist bag, and it also can be a crossbody and a shoulder bag. I just think it's super cute just for like if you want to grab it and go, and just, I don't know, I just think it's a really dope bag. Kind of think I want to own it in every color. But I refuse to pay $1,000 for it. This one I got for like, I think $650. But yeah, this is what I got from Gucci for my birthday. And I don't think it's one of my favorite purchases that I got for my birthday, but it's at the top. It's at the top for what I got. Okay, so the next designer that I'm gonna unbox is actually, I guess it's like one of my first times buying from this fashion house. Honestly, I kind of went crazy in this store just because I like this fashion house, but not really. But the pieces I do like, I really like. And one of the items was actually on my wish list. So I just went ahead, when I went in the store, I was like, okay, I'm just gonna get all of these items that I want. So I'm finna show y'all what I got. So the fashion house that I'm referring to is Burberry. So let me know down in the comments what y'all think about Burberry. You know, Burberry is really known for that like plaid that they have. And I actually like the plaid, but I just never really bought anything. But when I went in there and saw these items, I was like, oh, snatch, gots to be mine. So let me show y'all what all I got from Burberry. So I'm gonna unbox my not so favorite thing first, and then I would save my favorite part for the last part of this unboxing. Okay, so from Burberry, I did actually get the classic scarf. I know we in the summertime, I don't care. You know, I feel like this is one of those closet staples that I had to have. So, and then I also bought a couple of pairs of swimsuits. Let me know how y'all feel about luxury swimwear. I know people are really not a big fan or feel like this is a waste of money, but for some reason, I just really like these swimsuits. So I did buy a couple of pairs of swimsuits from Burberry. So let me show you. So I did get this one here. It's just like your plain swimsuit with the crisscross on the back. It does have the Burberry here. And I actually got this in 2 colors. I got it in the black and I also got it in the orange. And I don't know if y'all just saw my Ivy Park unboxing, but I actually bought this orange Burberry swimsuit before she came out with that line. And I was like, I know I don't need multiple pairs of orange swimsuits, but I already had this one. But yeah, here is the other one, the Burberry swimsuit. And once again, it does have the logo right there. So they're just some like regular one pieces. One thing about swimwear that I actually noticed is that you can wear them as like bodysuits under your jeans or shorts and nobody's really gonna know it's a swimsuit. That is actually the case with the next thing that I bought from Burberry, which is actually my favorite thing that I bought for my birthday haul. Let me show y'all. So this is my favorite thing that I bought from my birthday haul. This here with the matching bottoms. Let me see if I can get it up here. Can y'all see that? Yeah. So this is my favorite, I can't say favorite enough, favorite thing ever. This is so dope to me. It's actually giving me like a Leah Tommy Hilfiger vibes. Y'all remember when she used to wear that stuff with like the big logo at the bottom? But I love this. An SA in Dallas actually found this for me because I was like, I gotta have it. And it pretty much was sold out everywhere. And I think it's still kind of hard to get. But y'all, when I tell you this piece is fire. So fire to the point that I wore the top on my birthday, just like out. I went around no water. I was just like, this top is too fire to just be swimwear. But yes, this is my favorite thing that I bought from Burberry. And as you can see, it does have the logo around the straps, the signature plaid. The bra does have, you know, it's an adjustable bra. And the bottoms are like that high-waisted kind of, you know, vintage panty kind of look. My favorite thing from this birthday haul is actually this Burberry swimsuit. Well, bikini, I would say. All right, so I got one more thing to unbox for y'all. And this is actually the biggest thing that I bought on my for my birthday haul. And this is actually the first time that I actually purchased from this fashion house. It's probably gonna be the last thing, and I'll tell y'all why. But the reason I got it is because it is such a closet staple. A lot of people who's into luxury do have it. I've been wanting one, but yeah, I really like it. So it's from Versace. Can y'all guess what this is since it's such a big box? Can y'all guess? Okay. So let's get this thing open, y'all. So y'all probably already saw it. Hold on. Get it together. So it is the Versace Robe in red. And it's so big, y'all. I can't even, really show it to y'all. To be honest with y'all, I actually bought this in yellow first. Because I was thinking, oh, the yellow gonna be so cute on my skin, girl. The yellow's gonna be bomb. And when I got it here and tried it on, I look like Big Bird. I was like, this yellow is not finna fly on me, no. So I ended up exchanging that one and getting the red one. And at first I thought the red one was really masculine, but you know, now I'm kind of like, okay, the red is okay. But you know, I wanted any color other than black. I be seeing so many people with black and pink, and I for sure didn't want white, because white be showing sometimes. But yeah, I was like, let me get me this red color. I am a Delta, so it is appropriate. So yeah, that is the last thing that I did get on my birthday haul, is this Versace robe. And I like this. I honestly thought that it was gonna be softer. It feels more like a towel material, but other than that, you know, I love it. I just thought it was gonna be softer. And I read reviews on it where people were saying it's not as soft as they thought, because when you look at it on the site, it looks very like plush. Which it is very plush, don't get me wrong, but it's not like plush to the point that it's like you just feel real cozy in it. To me, it feels more like a luxury towel. Yeah, to be honest, that's what it feels like, a luxury towel. But I'm still gonna keep it. I still love it. But yeah, so that is what I got for my birthday haul. I am going on a special trip soon, so y'all stay tuned for that vlog. Thank y'all so much for 10K, 10,000 subscribers. I really am in disbelief. The channel also hit 1 million views around my birthday week as well, so I was just knocking out milestones right before my birthday, and I was just like, you know what, thank you so much, Jesus. Thank you so much. Like, I feel so blessed. And I'm just so thankful for each and every one of y'all that support me and watch my videos. Thank y'all so much for everything that y'all do, y'all comments, the love y'all be sending, all of that. Thank y'all so much. But yeah, if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Click that bell so you get notified every time that I post something, so you don't miss something. And I'll see you in my next video.